Did you know that a single spider plant sitting on your windowsill would need to work overtime for about 30 years just to clean the air in one average bedroom? Yeah, that NASA study everyone quotes about houseplants purifying indoor air. It's not exactly telling you the whole story. Back in 1989, NASA conducted what became the most famous plant study ever. They were trying to figure out how to keep the air clean in sealed spacecraft during long missions. Makes sense, right? You can't exactly crack open a window when you're floating around in space. So they tested plants like peace lilies, snake plants, and spider plants in small sealed chambers, and found they could remove pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene. Here's where things get interesting, though. Those chambers were tiny, completely sealed boxes with no air circulation whatsoever. Nothing like your living room, where air is constantly moving through vents, windows, doors, and every little crack in your house. The plants were basically trapped in laboratory bubble conditions that don't exist in real homes. When scientists tried to replicate these results in actual houses, the magic disappeared. A 2019 study analyzed dozens of plant air purification studies and found that you'd need somewhere between 10 to 1,000 plants per square meter to match the air cleaning power of simply changing your HVAC filter or opening a window for a few minutes. Think about that for a second. Your bedroom would need to look like a jungle just to get minimal air cleaning benefits. We're talking plants covering every surface, hanging from the ceiling, basically turning your home into a greenhouse. But here's the plot twist. Plants aren't completely useless for indoor air quality. They do something way more valuable than removing trace amounts of chemicals. They naturally increase humidity levels, which can help with dry skin, scratchy throats, and respiratory comfort, especially during the winter months when indoor air gets super dry from heating systems. Plants also release negative ions, which some studies suggest might have mood-boosting effects. Plus, there's solid research showing that simply being around greenery reduces stress hormones and can improve mental well-being. So while your fiddle leaf fig isn't functioning like an air purifier, it might be working as natural therapy. The real air quality villains in most homes are things like dust, pet dander, cooking fumes, and volatile compounds from furniture, carpets, and cleaning products. Your best defense against these is proper ventilation, quality air filters, and reducing pollution sources in the first place. So, should you throw out your houseplants? Absolutely not. Keep them for the humidity, the mood benefits, the beauty, and because caring for living things feels good. Just don't expect them to replace actual air cleaning strategies like ventilation and filtration. The NASA plant myth is a perfect example of how laboratory science can get twisted when applied to real-world situations. Sometimes, the most repeated facts need the closest examination.